Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love quick, healthy, and stylish meal prep, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best vegetable choppers and spiralizers of 2025. Tools that'll help you slice, dice, and spiralize your way to amazing salads, noodles, and more in no time. We've tested a bunch of popular models for performance, ease of use, cleanup, and value. And we'll show you the best options for every kitchen and budget. Whether you're making zoodles, chopping onions without tears, or prepping veggies for a feast, I've got you covered. Stay tuned till the end and check the description below for direct links to each product so you can grab the perfect chopper or spiralizer for your kitchen. 5. Janska Ultra Chop All-in-One. Meet the 12-in-1 Ultra Chop Mastery, your all-in-one kitchen hero that says goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to fast, fun, and effortless meal prep. The Janska Ultra Chop combines a veggie chopper, mandoline slicer, dicer, spiralizer, and more, powered by razor-sharp, rust-resistant stainless steel blades that slice smoothly through onions, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and potatoes with precision. Chop directly into the built-in container for a clean, mess-free experience. No watery eyes, no scattered cutting boards. With 9 blade options, plus a bonus handheld spiralizer and cleaning brush, you can create everything from zoodles to French fries like a pro. Built from BPA-free, heavy-duty materials with a non-slip base and dishwasher-safe parts, this durable, safety-focused tool is a must-have for busy home cooks and food lovers alike. 4. Dupiton Vegetable Chopper Dicer. Upgrade your kitchen prep with the Dupiton Vegetable Chopper, designed to deliver unmatched quality, versatility, and safety in one powerful gadget. Featuring razor-sharp blades made from 420 stainless steel, using Dupiton's unique punching blade technology, it delivers crisp, smooth cuts for perfectly chopped onions, tomatoes, and peppers, or finely shred cabbage in seconds. The food-grade ABS plastic body ensures healthy, safe meals for your family, while 2 different chopper sizes and 5 interchangeable blades handle slicing, shredding, grating, waffle fries, and even ruffled potato chips with ease. A built-in egg white separator, 1.5-liter large container for mess-free prep and storage, and compact all-in-one design save both time and counter space. With snap-in blades, finger guard, non-skid base, soft grip handle, and easy dishwasher-safe cleaning, this chopper helps you cook faster, eat healthier, and spend more time enjoying meals with the people who matter most. 3. Mueller Ultimate 12-Blade Meet the Meal Prep MVP, the practical and innovative all-in-one chopper, slicer, and spiralizer designed to make healthy home cooking faster and easier than ever. With 12 versatile blade options, including 9 interchangeable cutting blades and an adjustable spiralizer, you can dice, slice, julienne, grate, or create beautiful veggie noodles in seconds. Built with premium 420-grade stainless steel blades and BPA-free food-grade materials, this compact kitchen gadget delivers professional results while saving counter space. The smart design features a built-in food container, a secure food holder for safe slicing, and easy dishwasher-safe cleanup. Perfect for busy families, the Meal Prep MVP helps you spend less time prepping and more time enjoying nutritious, home-cooked meals with the confidence of 24/7 live customer support whenever you need it. 2. Auracomb Vegetable Chopper. Upgrade your kitchen with one all-in-one gadget that does it all. This versatile 12-piece vegetable chopper works as a chopper, mandolin slicer, and veggie dicer, giving you multiple kitchen functions in one compact set. Featuring extra sharp, rust-resistant blades, including slicing, dicing, shredding, mashing, crinkle cutting, and even an egg separator, meal prep becomes faster, easier, and more fun. The practical design includes easily replaceable blades, a comfortable non-slip handle, a hand protector for safety, and a large 1.7-liter collection tray to keep your countertop clean. Perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, peppers, and more, this kitchen gadget saves you time while delivering professional-looking results. It also makes a thoughtful gift for cooking lovers on any occasion, from birthdays to holidays. 1 full star, the Original Pro. Meet the Original Pro Chopper, TikTok's favorite veggie slicer and one of the top-rated kitchen gadgets this season. Designed to make meal prep faster and easier, this 5-cup, large-capacity chopper is simple to use, set up, and clean, saving you time and energy in the kitchen. With heavy-duty, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades, you can quickly dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more for healthier meals without the hassle. Its soft grip handle, non-skid base, and BPA-free design offer comfort, control, and stability, while the built-in catch tray keeps your counters clean. When you're done, just toss it on the top rack of the dishwasher, no scrubbing needed. Whether you're a beginner cook or a kitchen pro, this chopper is a smart, practical gift that makes cooking smarter, faster, and more enjoyable every single day. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best vegetable choppers and spiralizers of 2025. Whether you're meal prepping, cooking for your family, or just want to save time in the kitchen, any of these tools can make your life a lot easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest product reviews and comparisons. All the product links are listed in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices, deals, and more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.